All right, guys, I'm gonna do an update to what has been going on in the house. I just have not been pulling out the camera very much to kind of get you guys involved through the packing process, but I have more packing to do. So I'm just gonna have to make a mental note, and hopefully I'll remember to include you guys in on that process. When there's just so much to do, I can't waste time like grabbing the camera and, you know, I gotta like move. So yeah, it's just, you know, when you do a lot by yourself, that's just kind of what happens. Here's the puppy. Her reaction has been interesting. She's been not as playful as usual, and I think that's because she's wondering, I think, what's going on. And here is what's been going on. Like all the decor. I got the decor off the walls, off of there. I still have my cable box and stuff there. I still have my pillows because I'm still chilling, relaxing, all cool. I've got my Dollar Tree planners, and yeah, look how messy the pillows are. But that's okay. The kitchen is like empty. There's absolutely nothing left in any of those cabinets. There's nothing in those cabinets. There's nothing in those cabinets. But the cleaning supplies are still in this, under the sink. And here I am looking fabulous, but you know, a move is happening and oh my gosh, yeah. So anyway, that's basically the update. Everything is finally finding its way into a box. And I feel like I'm gonna feel a lot better once I get all of these floating items out of the way before the movers come, because right now it's looking crazy. But nothing several trips myself can't fix, you know? I have the Goonies playing, and I'm not going to do much talking in today's video, but I wanted to stop the speed through music overlay to tell you guys that now what I'm doing is loading up the kitchen table again with the next set of items that I'm going to load myself individually. I could just throw them in a box, but I ran out of boxes, so it's just going to be part of another trip. unexpected has happened, and I'm gonna set you guys down because I just holding that camera. So my movers called me today to confirm the move that is actually for tomorrow morning, and he said that he had someone like get sick and was wondering if I could go ahead and I guess do my move tonight. I was just like scrambling in my head thinking like, can I? And so I agreed to it, and I have been running nonstop. My hands are so dry, and they have aged during this whole process, but I have been scrambling to take apart my bed, my daughter's bed, all things, you know, I thought I was gonna have one more sleep in this house, but no, that one more sleep happened to be last night. So I'm actually kind of excited because I just want to get it over with. It's funny because my daughter loves moving day and I hate it. I don't know why, but it just like makes me frazzled, but it's happening today, and I don't even think I have put a brush through my hair. It's gross, but it's true. It was so easy taking apart my bed. When I got to my daughter's bed, because her bed came from IKEA, IKEA sells very specific tools to put together their equipment that apparently is not sold at like a Lowe's or a Home Depot. And I could not get these screws off of my daughter's bed, and I tried everything. I even contemplating breaking a little bit of the wood just to get my wrenches like to fit in the slot, and it wouldn't have mattered anyway because this is gonna be like, are you glazed over? But the little bolt that was around the screw was literally touching the wood. So you couldn't use anything but a wrench because you can't fit anything around that entire bolt. Anyway, so I had to run to Lowe's to find out they didn't sell anything like that, and I was just like, oh my gosh, do I have to go to IKEA to get this thing? And in my head I thought, you know what, I'm gonna just go back, I'm gonna try to break pieces of it off so that I could fit like my wrenches into it, but realizing again that even if I did that, it still wouldn't have worked. But I used a Dollar Tree tool. I don't know where it is, I think it's upstairs, and I got the bolts off. I was so freaking relieved. Yeah, it's been a day. I'm frazzled, but I'm really happy at the same time that it's all just happening, and didn't anticipate that tonight would be our first night sleeping in the new house. So that's kind of a crazy thought to me. So what I'll end up doing with Loxie is I'm gonna keep Loxie actually in the black and gold room. Originally I thought I was gonna move her into my closet, but it turns out I don't think that the movers will go into the black and gold room because none of that furniture is coming, and I'm gonna move it downstairs myself. Like, I'm not gonna waste their time. I do need the movers to bring down the couches from up there because me and my daughter, there's no way we could do that. So I'll have to use some of their time to move that into the garage for the donation. But because there's not really gonna be anyone in the black and gold room, I put Loxie's kennel back up there. She'll stay in there. I'll keep her locked in there while the movers are out and about. And then I'll go to the house with the movers, unload everything, finish that off, and then I will come back to this house to get Loxie. And yeah, and then transport her back there. I'm curious how many more trips it's going to take me. I don't know if I'm sure through editing, I'll probably put it up here because this isn't real time, but I'm curious how many more trips I'm gonna take between whatever else I have going on. But anyway, it's a very exciting time. I have been dropping a lot off at the new house.